Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and remove a text from video here on Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. The method that we are going to do for today works for both PC and mobile. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and screenshot your video right here. So just an example, if I go ahead and play this video, we have this text right here. Now to proceed, let's just go ahead and screenshot our video. In this method, I'm gonna go ahead and use a tool called snipping tool. I'll go ahead and highlight this video, and then I'm gonna go ahead and save it into my computer. After that, we are going to head over into a website called cleanup.pictures. Just go ahead and drag your photo inside of the website right here, and then you will be able to mark the text that you want to remove. After a couple of seconds, you will then be able to see the AI do its magic. Just go ahead and click on the download button right here, and we want to go ahead and import this into our video. After that, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and click on our photo right here, and inside you want to go ahead and click on the mask section. You want to go ahead and click on rectangle, and you want to place this inside our text right here. And in that way, you will be able to remove your text from a video here on Capcut. The text has been removed from our video right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and always thank you.